Unraveling the Mystery. Lost in a Blizzard, explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture: lost in a blizzard. This expression is not only about weather but also carries deep metaphorical meanings. Join us as we explore both the literal and figurative layers to fully grasp the essence of this phrase. When we say someone is lost in a blizzard, we're referring to a situation where an individual is physically disoriented or unable to find their way due to a severe snowstorm. Blizzards are characterized by strong winds and heavy snowfall, making visibility nearly zero. This literal scenario highlights the dangers of extreme weather and the importance of being prepared. Beyond the literal interpretation, lost in a blizzard is often used metaphorically to describe a state of confusion or being overwhelmed by a flurry of problems or information. Just as a blizzard obscures visibility, this expression conveys how one can lose direction or clarity in life's chaotic moments. To understand the phrase better, let's look at some examples. Literal usage. During the expedition, the team was lost in a blizzard for hours before finding shelter. Figurative usage. With the deadlines piling up and emails coming in non-stop, I felt lost in a blizzard, unable to prioritize my tasks. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, highlighting the versatility of English idioms. For English language learners, mastering idioms like lost in a blizzard can add depth to your conversations and writing. Here are some tips. Try to use the phrase in both its literal and figurative senses when practicing. Listen for idioms in English media and note how they are used in context. Engage in conversations with native speakers and ask about idioms you find intriguing. We hope this exploration of lost in a blizzard has illuminated its meanings and uses for you. Remember, idioms like this enrich the English language, adding color and depth to our expressions. Keep learning and experimenting with new phrases, and you'll find your fluency blossoming even in the midst of a linguistic blizzard. Thank you for joining us, and see you in our next video.